Welcome. This is a presentation about how to answer a constructed response question, and I will present also some sample answers, and I will present the rationale for the scoring guide. First, the context. This question would be presented in an 8th grade classroom. This means students of between 13 and 14 years old. The subject is environmental science and the level of difficulty is medium. So, the constructed response question is: describe how a biological process occurs in a plant and explain how it enhances the plant's ability to survive or to reproduce. As you can see, the question is complex and it actually requests the student to establish a narrative that is going to be answering several aspects of the same question. Now I'm going to present a scoring guide that is based on 4 points, and there is also going to be one that is 0 points, which I will explain in a moment. 4 points are given to the student which accomplishes the response following the principles that are established here, like the extension, to successfully answer the question, proper use of grammar and spelling, use of key technical terms that have been identified in class, use of critical thinking, and there must be no unnecessary elements. Now, if the student responds with this quality, he gets a 4 points response. Now, if there are some elements that are not present in the answer, for example, here I remove the grammar and the spelling, then the student gets just 3 points, but I make sure that I keep the most important elements present, which is obviously to answer successfully the question and to use key technical terms. Then there might be the case that the student only answers correctly, but with some limitations. In this case, the student only gets 2 points, but he's still answering correctly. And finally, the student gets only 1 point if the student answers correctly but without all the parameters that were requested. So it's a very low grade, but it is still 1 point. And in the case that the student doesn't answer successfully, then there are no points given. I will present here just 2 examples of an answer that would satisfy the criteria for a 4 points grade. As you can see, the punctuation, the grammar, the spelling is correct. The presentation of arguments follows an order. There's a prioritization of concepts, and all the elements that were requested in the instructions are present. So it is evidently a grade 4 answer. In this first answer, the student is talking about the flowering of the plants as the process that is under question, and in the sample 2, the student talks about pollination, which both are related to the same subject, but they are different processes. Both are satisfactory. Both satisfy the criteria for the question that was established. And again, we see the clear use of key terms. We see also how there's good grammar and spelling. The student goes right to the point and doesn't use information that is unnecessary. So those are two examples of how a grade 4 answer could be. And well, that's basically all. Thank you for your attention. These are the sources that I consulted, and I hope it's clear now how to build a successful answer for a constructed response question. Thank you.